It's foreign, but yet simple. We're cooking chicken piri-piri today. A complete meal, served with yellow rice, a simple salad, and yogurt cooling sauce. Hello, look what I have in here. Piri-piri chicken. My first time to do it. Goodbye to the sweet Filipino style barbecue. This is for the maton. This is for the mature taste. Let us roll back and I'll show you how I did it. You're watching Channel 1, a place for growing, cooking, and sharing. Join me here at my small kitchen for some learning, fun, and some cultural notes. Yes, it's a Portuguese or African dish today. Welcome to Channel 1. Your Kuya and Uncle Romulo. Well, as you heard, we're cooking piri-piri chicken today. It's not as complicated as it sounds. In fact, it's almost similar to the barbecue that we know. We just have to add some herbs and spices. And compared to the Filipino barbecue, this is not sweet, but rather spicy. If you like hot and spicy chicken from the fast foods, you will love this better. You will graduate from the inasal. First, let's marinate the chicken. And the ingredients: chicken on the bone, salt and pepper, garlic, lemon, thyme, and liquefied butter. If you notice, the ingredients for this marinade are not special at all, except for the addition of the thyme, which is a proven good sprinkle for barbecues. It gives an extra aroma and flavor, of course, and the butter. Anything with butter tastes better. Notice that we're using lime or lemon or vinegar, so butter or fat goes well with it. Of course, the chicken thigh has fat content, but how about adding more to enhance the flavor further? Also notice that I'm using here, instead of a whole chicken, I'm using chicken thigh, which is a bit on the big side. So I'll make an incision, not just one incision, but about 2 or 3 on one side, and there one more on the other side. I don't know the Tagalog word for that. Igad kung namin Ilocano, igadin, or to make thin incisions. Just cut incisions on the skin to allow the marinade to better penetrate into the meat. And mince the garlic as fine as possible. And we mix all the spices with the chicken. Looking familiar? Salt and pepper. Now the thyme. And butter. Massage with a hand. Massage with a hand. And to a side, minimum 1 hour, preferably overnight. We'll revisit it again when we apply the sauce, just 30 minutes before grilling. Just prepare the sauce while the chicken marinates. I think our ingredients need a little explanation. Okay, first, the peri-peri chili. The originally came from Africa, but I'm replacing them with the Thai chili, which are equally strong, piquant. Lemon is needed, which again goes perfectly well with the olive oil. And the acidity of this will be further enhanced and sweetened by, ideally, port wine. It's wine from Portugal. It's a bit sweet, but since this is rum, I'm using rum instead, which is widely available and cheaper. I'm adding some sugar. You know, I had to redo the sauce. I just realized that cilantro or coriander dried is good for stew or cooked dishes, but for sauce and fresh sauce, no, it has to be fresh cilantro. That's why I went to the market or to the supermarket and bought fresh. I did not include the wine here, it's optional. Just use water if you don't have it. So we'll do this again. And poof. And just garlic. We can start. Our camera did not catch it, but garlic was also included. Let's water this down. The salt and pepper. And the rest of the lemon juice. Olive oil. And since we have it, I'll add wine. Just a tablespoon and sugar. And grind. And roughly 30 minutes before grilling it, we'll apply the second marinade or the sauce to give it a second layer of, or outer layer of flavor, which is hotter. Just like if you compare it to the KFC, it is this spicy crust, but inside it's not so spicy. If you notice, I'm not holding it. I'm scared it might burn my hand. The pepper can burn the skin. I'll say this, it's 2/3 of the entire preparation. The second third, I'll be brushing it on top of the chicken, which are being grilled later, and the rest, dipping sauce. I can even refrigerate this for future use, the sauce. Okay, let it rest for now, at least 30 minutes before grilling. To the side. Here's a preview. Please come back for the grilling and eventual plating and eating. It's really spicy. And then the yellow rice. I've been to Peri-peri chicken in Manila, and I think this looks better. I haven't been to Nando's in the UK, but this certainly is, or looks even better. Let's taste it.